Hello, friends, and welcome to Nanaba's Kitchen. Today, I have a few exciting edible party favor ideas to share with you. So come and cook with me, friends. A lot of these recipes I've already shared on this channel previously. Some I haven't. So those that I haven't, drop a comment and let me know if you would like to learn them, and I'll be happy to share a video with you. So let's get into it. Let's go over the list real quick. I have baked meat pie filled with minced beef and vegetables cooked curry style. So delicious. I also have fried meat pie filled with chicken curry. And I have kili willy on the skewer, suya beef kebabs, and a very berry sobolo hibiscus or sorrel beverage. Yummy. What I'm doing right now is just prepping my ripened plantains. I am cutting them into bite-sized pieces, and I have blended my spices, onions, and also chilies, and just adding them to the plantains. I like to add paprika, just regular paprika, which helps to enhance the color. So that is going on right now. Now, this is a recipe I have shared a couple of on this channel, and I actually recently shared one. So you can check it out. I'll leave the link in the description. I've added some salt to it and some black pepper as well. And then we're just going to coat all the plantain pieces and let it marinate. Yes, you can marinate your plantain for your kiliwili. This is the very berry sobolo beverage. I tell you, friends, this one was a hit. The guests this was served to, every single one of them loved it and asked for recipes. Yes, friends. So if you'd like to learn how I do this, kindly leave a comment. I've added some sugar. And yes, I added quite a bit of sugar because this is a concentration. So we're actually making a syrup. And then we will serve it with soda water. Just imagine. So you end up getting a soda out of this beverage. Whoa. Best of both worlds. So I'm testing it right now. I want to make sure that my creation here checks all the boxes. So fragrance is checked. Taste, absolutely gorgeous. Time for packaging. They will be stored in the fridge until serving time. Next, I made some kebabs with beef tenderloin. So they were juicy and they were also very tender. Now, the way I made it is sort of the reverse. So I cooked it first or grilled it first before I put them on the skewer. If you'd like to learn this, kindly let me know. These are suya kebabs. Suya is roasted peanuts and African spice rub that we would sprinkle on our meats, and it's very delicious. So that's done. Now I have some meat pies. These are going to get baked, and yes, you can make your meat pies ahead of time. I had a lot of meat pies to make, and so this requires quite a bit of time. So I had to make them ahead of time. So I made them a few hours ago and froze them, and now they're going to get baked. And when they're done baking, they're just as good as fresh, as though you made them just now and then baked them right away, friends. So if you'd like to learn how I do that, kindly drop a comment. Now they're done. I glaze them and then they go into the oven and bake until perfection is reached. Yes, there they are. Now I fried some meat pies too, and those I made ahead of time as well because they're miniature fried meat pies. Imagine having to make them on the same day. Oh no. No. Sister Madam ain't got the time, and y'all know y'all don't got the time either. So if you want to learn how I do this, kindly drop a comment. So these meat pies were filled with the chicken curry. Oh, they were so good. And they were dipped in my red chili sauce. Yum! Yeah, so these get fried until absolutely crispy and filled with that yummy, moist chicken curry inside. Yes, on the menu, I also failed to mention in the beginning that I had a bonus fried dried bullfruit on the menu. Yes, so this I have shared maybe 2 or 3 actually recipes on Nanabe's Kitchen. Link below, you can find recipes. And yes, all of the recipes I've shared are different, yet similar in many ways. And I think that 1 or 2 will stand out for you, and you'd love all of them actually. So check that out as well. Bullfruit is done. Time to fry the kelewele, which is also done marinating in its spicy coating. So kelewele is a popular Ghanaian street snack. It's made with ripened plantain. Before it's fried, it is marinated in a variety of African spices, including onions and also chilies. So it has a bit of a kick from the heats we get from the chilies, but it's so delicious. So you fry them until golden brown, and because the plantains are ripened, you'll get a sugary, sticky caramelization coating on the outer layer of it, leaving the inside nice, moist, sweet, and tender. Now, these are going to go on skewers because we're serving finger foods at this small events. So to make it really easy and easily accessible, just put them on skewers. That's also a great idea. And yeah, there they are. Look at the color on that. Perfection. So yeah, they went on the skewers and everything is ready to be served, and I actually coated them with a dusting of roasted peanuts that were crushed. Let me tell you, friends, everything went down so beautifully. They enjoyed every single one of these edible party favors. It was beautiful. Here's a beverage going on some ice, and you see how it's syrupy. It's very concentrated, and we top it with soda water. Let me tell you, friends, this one was so refreshing after enjoying your meat pie, which is so rich. Yes, you wash it down with this, you're in business. Friends, I thank you so much for watching. I hope that every single one of these ideas inspired you in some way or some ways. Look at the inside of this meat pie. Now tell me, don't you want a bite? Like I said, I have shared a couple of meat pie recipes on this channel. I will try to link them all below for your convenience. And yes, the crust is to die and live for all at the same time. Thank you all so much for watching. I had so much fun putting all of this together. You know, cooking is my therapy. I love cooking. It takes me always to my happy place. And I hope that I'm inspiring you on this channel. Come back and see me soon. Hope you have a pleasant day. Actually, make it a great day. And as always, have fun, especially in that kitchen. Thank you, beautiful person, for watching the video all the way to the end. Kindly leave me a comment and subscribe down below. And don't forget to share the video as well. Also, watch more videos. It is chop time, and here in Nanabe's Kitchen, chop time is always yes, friends. So pull up a chair. We are all friends and family here.